Cheen. That's the word for fish. Cheen. Skusit. That's the word for potato. Skusit. Oops, I forgot the fry bread.
Don't you have to fry it first?
Of course I do. Shabli dung klautlashlu.
When you are going to make bread,
Shabli gai wa an dung kuidang.
you measure your flour for it.
Sugar gai hans slagwai khustang. Uwe as kuidang.
About 2 spoons of sugar to
Tang slagwai juju khustang. Way as kuidang.
2 teaspoons of salt,
Ox Kingstown milk.
you warm the milk,
Aji Walawa Hans Khuswansing Glue.
about 1 cake of yeast,
Hans is Khuswansing Iulagen.
into about a cup of water is fine.
Tau Slagwai Iwan Khustang. We as Quidang.
2 big spoonfuls of oil,
Aji Wadlawan Gusawit. Gadangs Anjulang.
stir this whole thing together,
Askai Stang Skon Wastastang.
and then you knead.
Askas Tau Gudang Hanan Sang.
And then you rub oil on it.
Skuski Khuswansing. Dung Khaftasten.
And then let it rise once.
Aji called Dashtai Hin. Gi Dung Kinaning Sang.
After it rises, you cut it in pieces.
Tau Gia Kusangway Dung Inisla.
Let some oil get hot in a fry pan.
Gen Sibligai Di Dung Kinanung Sang. Gen Dung Halung Sang.
And the bread you will cut in pieces and fry.
Halung Slash Gang Ua. Dung Is Hujulang Angsang.
When it is brown, you turn it.
Aju Sibligai Halung Stash. Syrup Sweet Dung Kit Gansung.
When it is fried, you will dip it in sweet syrup.
Askai to La Kisa Juju. Syrup Dung Gaslas.
which you have poured into a small dish.
Askai water hang on Dung Nilsang.
And after that, you drink coffee,
Gendars Gis Saasang.
and you will be full. I want to thank you for a wonderful afternoon. I really enjoyed myself. Hawa.
Why don't you come back tomorrow and I'll tell you about putting up seaweed.
Thanks, I'd like that. How do you say goodbye in Haida?
There's no word for goodbye in Haida. We have two phrases. One is Hausen an Dingens Klingsang, I will see you again, and the other is Damans Anskling, take good care of yourself, or we can say adios.
Adios. I'll see you later.